Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Vivo Y22s device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life of this phone. So, firstly, we need to disable all unnecessary running services. To do that, just open your control panel, and here you will see all your running services. So, if you are using mobile data right now, just disable Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi right now, just disable mobile data. If you are not using Bluetooth right now, just disable it. And if you are not using maps right now, just disable location services, because when unnecessary service is running, it's constantly looking for the network. For example, mobile data constantly looking for 5G or 4G. Location on constantly looking for GPRS signal, so it's reducing your battery power. Then you can reduce your screen brightness, because screen reducing your power, your battery power too. And of course, you can open settings, then scroll down, and here you will find battery, okay, and here you can open background power consumption management. Here you can find applications that working in the background and disable background working only. For example, TikTok is constantly working in the background, so you can click on it and then click restrict background power usage, and this application will not work in background now. So it's really great feature. And of course, the last step to improve your battery life is enabling battery saver. So just open up battery saver and click use battery saver. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.